Schoolcraft offers several different class formats: in-person, online, synchronous remote, and hybrid. To find course schedules, go to our dual enrollment website, schoolcraft.edu/dual, and under Become a Dual Enrolled Student, expand the Decide What Classes Are Right for You tab. Under the Course Descriptions heading, click the link to our academic catalog. Click on Course Descriptions quick link. Here you will search the prefix and number for your approved course. For example, English 101, English Composition 1, is ENG101. You will see the number of credit hours, a short description of the course, prerequisites for the course, and the course competencies, what you will learn in the class. Above the course competencies, click on Course Availability to search course schedules for your desired term. On the left, you can filter by modality, term, dates, etc., and find a section that works for you. Some important items to note. Do not register for 7-week sections, as these are accelerated and contain 15 weeks of content in 7 weeks. Also, be sure to only register for your approved course. If you register for courses other than those approved by your school, you and your family may be financially responsible for the tuition and/or fees. Now you are ready to register for your class. Visit schoolcraft.edu/register for information about the registration process, including important deadlines. When you are ready to register, you will do so in Ocelot Access. Make sure you are logged in. Click on the Register, Drop, and Course Info card. There is a video titled How to Register to help you plan and register for your approved courses. Please watch this video for additional information. Then click Registration and Student Planning. Contact the Registration Department at 734-462-4426 if you have any questions.